Just before I start this voiceover, I want to let you know that I'm going to have an Igbo version of this video immediately after this one. So you want to watch out for that if you think you would like it. Let's get started. If you struggle with making tasty abacha, trust me, this is the video you need, just the perfect video. So in a mortar, you can do this in a bowl, but this is just the way it's always been done before we started making use of the bowls and all of that. So in that mortar, I pounded some crayfish and I brought out some portion which I'm going to use later on. And then in a bowl, I put in the abacha and then I mixed warm water and soaked this abacha in the warm water. So what I did was to keep on stirring it with my hand to make sure that the warm water got to all parts of the abacha. And as you can see, this is something I can put my hand in. Meanwhile, before you start anything, please wash your hands up to your elbows. Thank you. So this is very, very easy. So I just mixed the palm oil, ogiri, basically everything. I just basically mixed everything in the mortar and then put in the abacha that had already been soaked. So I was talking about soaking the abacha. You need to do that with warm water. You either do it with warm water or you do it with cold water. I really don't like to do it with cold water because it may not get as soft as I would want, but doing it with warm water is just the best. If you're going to use hot water, then you have to be very, very careful because it will get soggy real quick. Then as you can see, if you're familiar with making abacha, you notice that I did not use what is called ungo or potash, and that's my preference. Well, after mixing the whole abacha, I actually added the remaining part of the crayfish, and I didn't like do a serious mixing just so that I can get bits of the crayfish, but this is very, very easy. And I garnished with utazi leaves, some cabbage, onions. Let me know, have you ever eaten abacha garnished with cabbage? Anyway, thank you guys for watching.